Hello? Is that a player walking around the hall? Hey, you! How'd you get in here? And also, would you mind just going away? There is nothing interesting for you to find up ahead. Oh, no. Do not go towards that button, please. No. What are you doing? Stay away. I'm not sure who you are, but I just can't allow you to push that button. You will regret it. And even if you won't, I know I definitely will. So stay back. You are as stubborn as they come, aren't you? I'm using up all my teleports on you. No. You didn't. Okay, wait. You didn't hear that. I have an unlimited supply of teleports. There's no need to test me. I assure you, I have more than one teleport. You know, when they say, hey, who's got a lot of teleports? They point to me, and that guy's got more than one. Yeah, that guy there. That's who they're talking about me at most of the time. You know, we could do this for days. I got a ton of teleport left. So just keep going, or you don't. You know what? It's a waste of your time. Might as well just stop doing it. So you read my bluff. Huh. What gave it away? Anyway, I'm serious. I don't want to use my trump card. You asked for it. You really thought you could push that button, didn't you? This is what you deserve. You won't be able to reach the button now that you're so tiny. Really? You're really gonna try to go up these unstable emergency stairs just to push that button? Really? Well, that does it for my bag of tricks to stop you. Okay, you know what? We started this whole relationship wrong. It wasn't you, it wasn't me, it just didn't work out to start off. So maybe you could give me up to like 3 chances to try and convince you just to let go of the whole button pressing idea, you know? And I will then give you something way better in return. Come on in. You clearly want to press buttons, and I don't want to get in the way of that. You know, I don't want to withhold that pleasure from you. So I created this specially for you. Go on, press it. Every time you press this button, you will gain $1 directly to your bank account. Now go ahead, take as many as you want. This is probably the best button in the entire world. Don't you agree? Who needs that other useless button when you can stay here and push until you're a millionaire? Let's press it forever. Oh, I'm sorry, just a moment. Yes, it's me. No, I'm not making any transactions. What? Let's just check to make sure. Okay, thank you for letting me know. So let me just put this up here. Okay. I don't know if I want to know the answer to this one, but I need you to just press that button just one more time for me. You know what? I think there was some kind of mix-up, and it appears that the money you get is coming right out of my bank account. So why don't we just call it here? You're satisfied with what you got, right? You got enough? Oh, okay. I'll open the door for you, so let's just move on out of this room. No, what are you doing? Weren't you the one that was like, hey, let's go to the big red button? Wasn't that your idea? I see where this is going. You know what? I honestly don't like it. You find making me go bankrupt amusing? Not very nice of you. There goes my vacation plan to Aruba. I guess I don't really need to eat in order to survive. Just breathing and drinking water, that should be plenty. You know, I've heard of a thing called like lacking moral fiber, attributed to people. Maybe, I'm not saying that's you, but maybe you want to look into that when you're done taking all my money. left me with nothing. Well, at least it can't get any worse than that. Are you done making my life miserable financially? And now you're ready to move on to making me miserable in other ways? Fantastic. Okay, so let me just float this idea past you, okay? I think I know what went wrong. A button that gives you my money, it's not very satisfying, you know? You're the kind of person that wants, like, value for their money. You want to gain something. You want a game. If only you'd get to experience something like that, then you'd be satisfied. This is what you've been waiting for, wasn't it? Now you get to play a game I made for you by pressing a button. This is definitely the best of both worlds. So go ahead, try and beat that space thingy. Oh, you missed. You did it! Do you know what's up next? Another level.